Hey guys everyone, my name is Kasia and today you're going to be watching our very first Caffeine Created Throwdown, organised at Melbourne in Lichfield with the support of Monsoon Estates Coffee Company, the Indie Coffee Club and Molly's Milk. So what the Caffeine Created Throwdown is? Well, it's a latte art competition. What's a latte art? These are the cute and sometimes really complicated white patterns that you make with your milk. It basically is the art of pouring milk into another liquid. I myself am a coffee consultant and a barista trainer. I always wanted to run of these competitions. Why? Because there's massive stigma behind saying that you have to be this and that in order to take part in them, which is absolutely not true. All you need is a little bit of commitment, a little bit of skill and determination and practice. Let me tell you a little bit more about the show itself.
Rule number 1, don't take it seriously. Rule number 2, if you're taking things seriously, reread rule number 1.
The show took place in Melbourne in Lichfield, which is a speciality coffee shop of my beloved friend Deborah and her husband Andrew.
Who am I? That's a big question if you got 8 hours. I'm Deb and I'm the owner of Melbourne in Lichfield. Yay!
Latte Art Throwdown will be organised to bring the community of coffee together.
Not to be taken too seriously, and it's all about making new friends, fine-tuning your craft, but my side of things is come and have fun, because you know what, coffee is fun. Yeah.
My side is to make it accessible and make people realise that it doesn't take 25 years of experience to actually be able to pour something. It just takes a little bit of passion and a little bit of commitment. But in the end of the day, it's fun, and this is the main reason I do what I do, because it's fun. Yeah, and we're going to be using Monsoon Estates Coffee Company espresso blend for all the competitors, and I'm going to link everything down below.
I'm excited.
And we also will be having pleasure to work with Molly's Milk. I think that's how it's pronounced, I'm not sure.
I'm excited anyway.
And yeah, they will be providing us with the great milk. That's really cool for steaming.
Kasia said it's one of the best milk she's used, so I'm really excited to see it.
It's not only my opinion, there's actually three even Rory's working on it.
There you go, Rory says so.
Philip Barrister.
Endorsed.
Barrister Philip. Yeah, I'm just gonna link people down below, so if you want to check everyone out, just find it down there. And last but not least, massive shout out to boys from the Independent Coffee Club. Okay, so how does it work? Well, quite simple. This little baby is rolled on the table. Go on. Oh. Whatever comes up, barista has to pour in the cup. There's 2 people on the machine. We had 3 judges that would judge these 2 pours. So once the coffees are poured, they go on the table, and the judgment is based on the similarity to the bowl, contrast, and the positioning. 1, 2, 3. The winner of our very first Caffeine Created Throwdown was Ben from Box Brownie in Stratford upon Avon. Congratulations, Ben, to you.
Hi, I'm Ben from Box Brownie.
Yes.
Not that I'm competitive or anything, but yeah.
But also to all of the other incredible people like...
I'm Rich from Lem. I'll be Tammy. He did. I'm Sam from Box Brownie.
I'm Andrew from Box Brownie.
Joanna from Box Brownie.
John from the Independent Coffee Company. Paul from here in Melbourne.
Tom from Milk Farm.
Will from Monsoon Estates.
I'm Rosanna and I like to make coffee at home.
I'm Sheldon from Elements.
I'm Johnny from Monsoon Estates.
who made this show work.
Coffee is all about people, and if you don't basically support people in life, then what's the point of having a business if you can't do fun things as well?
My name is Kasia, you're watching YouTube, and these are highlights from our very first Caffeine Created Throwdown. Shall we do more? How do we do it? Do we change anything? Leave me a comment down below. This is how I learn. This is how we develop the show. I'll see you soon. go.
She's doing her hair. Should I do mine? How do we know each other? We work together.
What do you want from me?
Are you finding this as difficult as me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Commercial break.
And in the meantime, you can buy Monsoon Estates Coffee right here, right now.